Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make money drawing boxes around objects to help machines learn about pictures and videos and stuff like that. So it's going to be a really fun way for you to earn some free PayPal money. And the great news is that everybody's eligible, okay? So it's going to be worldwide. As long as you have access to PayPal, that is, then you can definitely earn some money this way. Before I get started, just want to let you know that in the first link in the video description, it's going to be more information if you want to make more money and learn about how I make money online, which is using a business model that allows me to earn passively. Okay, guys? So if you want to check out what I do, check out the first link in the video description. Alright, so let's get started in this video today. Alright guys, so this is where we are. It's going to be Remotasks. I guess it stands for remote tasks, so that these are just tasks you can do online from anywhere that you have an internet connection. So this is a website all about machine learning. So if we can identify objects in images and video and also categorize things like what is, let's say I'm wearing a shirt, what color is it, and so forth. And this allows machines to learn what types of clothing, if this is sleeveless, a tank top versus a long sleeve dress shirt, you know, a blouse, whatever. So this is how we can help machines learn different things. So it's going to be a fun way for you guys to make some money, okay? So let's see how this works. All right. So you could tag images, you could transcribe audio, moderate content. They have many interesting tasks for you to do, and all you need is English, okay? All you need to be is English, fluent in English, and you don't need to have any experience in this. So you could get started right there. You could click that link. But I'm just going to explain more to you. So you'll sign up is easy. You just connect with Facebook. So you have to have a Facebook account. If you don't, just go to facebook.com and sign up for an account, and then you can sign up here. Then you're going to take exams. We have lots of exams for you to take. And then you're going to do tasks in categories you've unlocked. So I guess you have to do some exams here just so you can qualify. They just want to make sure, of course, that you know how to do certain things. And these are simple things, guys. So the more little tasks that you can show them you can do, then you will unlock the work that will allow you to earn. Then you get paid, and this is weekly, guys. They pay weekly, so this is going to be a very quick way for you guys to get some free PayPal money. All right, so what kind of tasks do we do here? Easy to do tasks. Each exam unlocks tasks for you to do. So let's see, examples of tasks. You can draw boxes around cars, moderating content, identifying spam, categorizing t-shirts. Who provides the tasks? We work with multiple companies from small startups to public companies. So these are, again, these are brands and companies that want their stuff to be learned by machines. So some examples include self-driving car companies and t-shirt startups. They've trusted us and you with completing these tasks. So let's take a look at the tasks themselves. So for image annotation, draw bounding boxes around various objects to help determine what's where. Categorization, help identify keywords that describe images, what's in a image. So for this, it is a coat, it is purple, and it's made of cotton. So that's pretty easy. This one is image transcription, meaning transcribe important content from an image. So, and then here you can do comparison, draw bounding boxes around various objects to help determine what's where again. And audio transcription is transcribe voice recordings for people to read. So that's just listening to some kind of audio recording and then just typing out what they were saying. Data collection, search the web and collect data about anything. So this could be making sure that search results are coming up the right way and stuff like that. So there's a lot of people already using this. See, people really love it. Let's check out their FAQs. No minimum to get paid each week. So as long as you earn something, you get paid. So you really don't have to worry about will I get paid, because they really do have thousands of testers already working on there. I'm sure you could find somebody who has worked on there. How do you get more tasks? You can take exams to unlock more tasks. See, that's why I say do those exams, because it's like a prerequisite just to make sure you can understand the task, the type of task, and that's why they have it, just so they know that you can do that task. So once they know that you can, then it unlocks a lot more tasks. We allow you to take each exam 3 times, so don't worry if you make a few mistakes the first time. How do we earn? You're paid per accepted task. The amount paid will vary depending on the task complexity. We'll pay you via PayPal on Friday, so please be sure that you have a valid PayPal email in your account before Monday to be eligible to receive payout the following Friday. So there is some kind of cutoff, and then they need to have a few days before they actually pay out. So you will probably, if you do this consistently, you will eventually get paid every Friday. How to withdraw my earnings? After signing up, please be sure to add your PayPal email. That's it. I mean, basically, you just have to connect, give them your PayPal email. That's it. Do we have to pay to use your platform? Of course not. We don't charge for working on our platform. However, there's a 2% PayPal transaction fee per payout. So whatever, if you're trying to withdraw $1, you're going to only get 98 cents, because it's going to take 2% out of your payout. Now, how much is the pay, which is pretty important here, right? It ultimately depends on your speed and accuracy. However, if you're working 20 hours per week, you can make between 35 to 50, while taskers who work 40 plus hours can take home between $60 to $100 per week. This averages between $1.50 to $2.50 per hour. We also offer bonuses and incentives to help you earn more. So you can see this is not like a huge amount of money you are making, unfortunately, but it's definitely a way to make you some side money. So you're going to earn around $250 to about $400 per month from the site. But this one is a popular one, and they do pay. So if you want to do this for just some extra money, then it'll be great. And they even have training for you guys here, okay? So that is how Remotasks work. So this is a site you definitely can earn some extra cash, but of course you can see that it's not going to make you anything that is going to be significant or something that you can really depend on, but you can get consistent money if you do it over and over again every single week, okay? So you can have that income just a little bit. It could be a side thing that you do, but if you want to make more money and learn something that doesn't take so long to make a little bit of money, but it actually make you a lot of money, then check out that first link in the video description. It's going to be a business model that's going to leverage the power of the internet, guys, okay? And stop trading time for money, okay? It's going to teach you how to build your own profitable online business, and it's something that I have done myself, and it's really the best way to earn online is really starting up your own online business. And the program in the link, the first link in the description, will show you exactly where you can learn something like that, and it's going to be great for beginners because they really hold you by the hand. Okay, guys? All right, so go check it out in the first link in the video description, and I hope you really liked this video today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel and learn more ways to make money online, guys, and then hit that notification bell so that you can see when my next video comes out. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you will start making money online soon. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, guys, bye.